My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I worked at IRS for over a decade. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, gets to the point. Me and my M&M man gives you a thumbs up for listening. So a lot of people have called me and asked me over the years. I haven't filed in years. Am I in trouble, or how do I get back in the IRS system? What's IRS going to do? Well, believe it or not, thousands or hundreds of thousands, a million of people actually slip through the system. Slip through the system big time. But sooner or later, your number is going to be up and you are going to get a nasty gram from IRS, or you may get a knock on the door asking IRS where your return is. But the big news here is just don't be afraid to get back in the system. Believe it or not, IRS just wants you in the system. That's what they want you in the system. So the first thing that you can do is immediately start filing the year's tax return that you're in. Go ahead and make sure you have your estimate payments made or your withholding made in the tax year that you are in. And then you can file the last 3 or 6 years depending on your situation. The IRM 5-133 says you file 6. That's just a policy. If it's a non-asset case and you don't have a lot going on, you can file 3 years. Let your tax professional make a determination how to do that. Let's just say you haven't filed, so how are you going to file? Well, IRS, you can order your IRS transcripts online that go ahead and have your wages and your 1099s and all your information. IRS already has that on you. Just go to IRS.gov and ask for your wage and income transcripts, and IRS is going to send you all the places you've worked and all the 1099s and W-2s that are there. If not, if you don't have a lot of W-2s and 1099s and that's not accurate, you know what you have to do? Just go to a good tax professional. They'll reconstruct your tax returns. How do they do that? Well, basically for each year, if someone knows where you lived, what the rent was, you can pretty much kind of guess close what that income could have been. For instance, if you had a mortgage payment or rent of $2,000, as a general rule, it cost you about $6,000 to live. So you can reconstruct through bank statements or credit cards or cost of living, but don't worry, just get back in the system. Once you make that initial try and file your first tax return, let the professional, let them make a determination how to make. Thank you for listening.